mother. Basta di ka mag seatbelt. Hawit kagayo. Ayan ang mga sibuyas.
Bitaw na katabang ang iparking na sa bihayag. Oo, kanindua. Ayaw din akong karga. Alas 7 na.
We're here na guys in El Paraiso. So far, there's no
Flooding.
flood.
I will check the water. Okay, let's go.
High water. Today is Tuesday, so nobody's swimming sa class. So, yeah. Nobody's swimming there in the river. And we're here na. Interview our mother. What's your feeling, ma? Unsay imong gibati mga anak kay driver nga anak? Unsay may imong kasulti? Oh, kana nalipay. Nalipay nga akong mama guys. So, because after so many years na siya driver nga anak guys. So, because long time ago, what we driving is Carabao. Carabao only we drive. And now my sister is driving a mini jeep. So yan. Lipay daw si mother guys. That's good to her that she's happy. She have a daughter driver. Yan. Thank you so much.
Thank you
To
so
our
much.
sponsor, Ford. Toyota. Toyota. Joke only guys. It's joke. Bye bye. Tara, may buntag. Mga higala. Look at ni. Ayan, nandito si Dodong guys. He helped us. That's my cousin. This is the brother of Maria. Si mama. Ma, gidala man nimo ng bugat, mother. Agoy, ubho na pug ka ana, mads. Hangakon na. Hangakon. Yan, gusto niyan. She want to stay here. So, yeah, banat. Ready na ang boots. Yan, guys. We're back in the mountain. Hangakon dayo, no? So hangak. Here, not yet clean. This area. It's David Domingo. Na, ang mais. Wala nin tubo ang mais. It's not growing. And it's quiet time. Look at that. It's good weather here. Last night daw it's so heavy and that's why look at that. Asa ang bulak sa mangga? Oh, the mango already have flower guys. After how many years? Just flower. Because there's a fertilizer. My mother put fertilizer. Nagtrabaho pa to sila. Look at the fence. Bamboo fence. Hanapok pa to siguro sila. Nabasa na agkuan. Wow, ang akong chestnut. A swimming pool ni Dungi. What happened to my tambis here? Dako na akong tambis. Yes, dako na akong tambis. Kuha ng tambis, mother, no? Or imuha ng gibutangan o rambutan. Wow, ang okra ni sister. Look at that. Dako na yung okra. Uy, may mga pigs dito. Hello pigs. Mga pigs ni Maria guys. Yan, yung mga pigs ang pa-plow. They're the one plowing yan, mga baby pigs. Over there, 1, 2, 3. 3 pigs. Ako diri oh, pigs. Small pigs. Pipi pigs. Tarungag daro. Tarungag daro pig. Yan oh. Over there. Oh, 4 pigs there oh. We have 4 pigs. They are the one flowing it. Yan, ang mga manok. Ang gawas sa mga manok. Yung hinalay din ha. Naran yung hinalay. Yan guys. We're here again, November 14. Ayan, chicken. November 14. November 14, 2023. Ayan ang mga chicken. Ang mga huluhano. Chicken. Ang duyanan diri o, gibitay ra. Yan na ang motor nilang Maria. Oh, nagtanong rin si sister diri o kuan. Okay. So the fence is going there. Yan. Sanity. Oh, nagpalampas. Nagpalampas na dahil sila oh. Ipalampasan na ka ati Anabilia? Nagpalampas na si ati Anabilia? Hawa naman diha oh. Oh. Napamanday laya ng imuhang kuan diha, mother. Lubi. Need to kupra na daton. Yan. Wala, naunsa naman yung mga manok. Luya naman ni Mads. Uy. Naunsa. Ha? Asa dapit ang kadado? Let's check the corn, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Very small the corn. Look at that. Really, the soil is need to plow, guys. Ayan. That's the update here. Oh, can still use this one as firewood. Look at that. So very small the fruits. Tabi po. Let's check the grafted plants here. Ayan. Ang lanzanis. What happened? Wala na naayo. Diri. Let's check. Mangosteen. Ayan. Subay na ako kung na buhi ba ning gitanom dire. Yan, nabuhi ra siya, guys. Look at that. This one is Liabano. Liabano. Ayan. This one, can use this as firewood. So, when we stay here, we focus that one. Focusing. Yeah. So, we will check the coconut that I plant. The dwarf coconut. This one is kangdongi. Kangdongi ni coconut. This is grafted so after 3 years. Yan, kangdongi. That's mine there in the center. Yan. Remember my video, guys. That's the one. Yay! My first time planting coconut. Dwarf coconut. So we will see that one after 3 years. After 4 years. This one here, my sister. That's her. Yeah. Day, gipalampasan na ila ka Tinobilya? Day? Gipalampasan na ila ha? Tinobilya? Nagkupra na sila? Wow guys, nagpalampas na sila. So the share of Ate Anabelia, shout out to Ate Anabelia. This one is kang Uncle Embol. This one not yet clean. This side, that's his share, but the share of Ate Anabelia, look, they are already clean. Nagkuha na din sila coconut. Ikuha na nila ilang coconut nila. Ayan te, look at that. So they have 2 shares here. Ayan, they're cleaning na. So it's really nice to clean also. Yan. So this is your area, Ate Anabelia. They already get the dry coconuts. Yan. Kadang minggo, nabilong pa ng minggo ni Kuan. Kinsa man na kang Manoy Buds. Di adto kang Yoyo Imbol dayon sunod kang Manoy Buds diri ka Ate Anabelia. 2 share and then the other side is kang Maria. So mani ang bilong sa kaati para kata tree. Yan para kata tree. It's Severin daw last night. Kaya lapok-lapok. Yun. Kamaria na nga share din ha. And her brother and sister. So, there's a coconut falling there. Yan guys, that's the update as of November 2023. Ayan si Rosel. Mana kagkuhit, Sel? Mana kagkuhit? Kuhiti mig kuan bi butong palihog. Nagdala naman jud ka ana. Si Rosel guys, he's the one getting coconut. The father of Kisi, husband of Maria. So they are working the coconut. Yeah, that's what you use to get a coconut. Tada! Yeah. Yan si Maria guys. Nagkuhan siya sa iyang asinda. Nag-harvest sila sa ilang coconut. Kumusta?
Bawa kay kung singot bitaw.
Charot.